want to give you an idea that's going to hopefully revolutionize your business. Have you ever heard of the principle of cognitive load? Well, it's a really kind of powerful tool to help you improve your marketing, communication, and even training, particularly training. This is where kind of a lot of the research was done to do with cognitive load. But in principle, cognitive load refers to the amount of mental effort required to process information. When individuals are presented with too much information at once, they can become overwhelmed or have difficulty making decisions or even retaining information. So if you're a business owner, we can use this principle to our advantage by simplifying our message and breaking down information into manageable chunks. Think about it like this. If you're designing marketing materials or website content, simplify your message and reduce the amount of information presented at once. And this can make it easier for potential customers to understand your message and take action. If you're training employees or introducing new processes, you can break down the information into smaller, more manageable chunks. And this will help with the retention of information. So as people learn, they will retain better. Apply it effectively in work settings as well. So think a little bit about kind of how anything that you're doing in work, if you're presenting information to others, think about breaking it down into those manageable chunks. The principle of cognitive load highlights the importance of simplifying communications and reducing mental effort required for decision making. As small business owners, we need to remember that information overload is not the answer. Make your comms simple and reduce that cognitive load. It can improve customer engagement and employee performance. So I hope you're ready to find the edge. Have a look over all of your marketing communications. Think about those email newsletters. How much information are you putting in there? If you're thinking about an email for your clients, then think about breaking it down maybe into several separate emails rather than trying to provide too much information at once. If you're thinking about training your staff, think about how you're going to deliver that. I recently did this myself. We introduced some new practice management software and I broke it down into smaller chunks. So we had an introductory session showing some of the real basics, how to get access and everything like that. Allowed people to go away and experiment and try things, and then we had a more in-depth training session. It's all about cognitive load, and it's a great scientific principle, and you can use it greatly to your advantage. If you're looking for more information like this, don't forget to check out my business knowledge bank at askjt.co.uk. There's loads of videos and great content in there that you can use in order to improve your business and get the edge. Okay, thanks, bye.